Okay. 1.4. Determine the values of x and y. So determine the values of x and y. If so, they're like find x and y if 3 raise y plus 1 over 32 is equal to the square root of 96x. So they're saying find the values of x and y if 3 raised y plus 1 over 32 is equal to 96x. So to do this, ask yourself, what are the factors of 96? Find the factors of 96. So it's 32 times 3. So what you have here, you have the square root of 32 times 3, all raised x here is equal to this thing here, which is 3 raised y plus 1 over 32, right? And then what can we do here? We can say, okay, from definition we know that 32 times 3 raised x, so this is equal to this all raised 1 over 2. We know this, right? So let's simplify this part. Say, okay, we have 32 times 3 raised 1 over 2x here, right? We can say that just take this one down as it is, doing nothing here. So now we have that 32 raised 1 over 2x times 3 raised 1 over 2x is equal to, what is it? 3 raised what? 3 raised y plus 1 all divided by 32. This is what we have, right? So what can we do? We can take this 32 and put it up here to the top. So we'll say, okay, 3 raised y plus 1 times 32 raised what? 32 raised minus 1 is equal to 3 times raised 1 over 2x, 1 over 2x, I hope it's visible, times 32 raised 1 over 2x, right? So which means this one here is equal to this, and this guy here is equal to that guy there, right? So what we have is, we can say, okay, 32 raised negative 1 is equal to 32 raised 1 over 2x. That means negative 1 is equal to 1 over 2x. Therefore, the x is equal to negative 2. Now that you have your x, you can say, okay, x is equal to minus 2. Let's go to the 3 part now. And say 3 raised y plus 1 is equal to, which is part is equal to that, 3 raised 1 over 2 x. But we have x equal to minus 2. So 3 raised y plus 1 is equal to 3 raised 1 over 2 times minus 2, which is our x there. Therefore, we have 3 raised y plus 1 is equal to 3 raised minus 1, right? So, if you're saying 3 raised y plus 1 is equal to 3 raised minus 1, we are saying these two things are identical, right? You're saying, if you're saying they're equal, you have 3, you have 3. If you're saying these two things are equal, in this case, you're saying this is identical to that. In order for this to be identical to that, it should also have a power of minus 1, which means here on top here, it should also be minus 1. You must try to achieve minus 1, find the value of y such that the sum of y and 1 is giving you that. That's what you're trying to achieve. So you want this top here to be the same as that one, because you're saying they're equal. If they're equal, which means they should have identical exponents. So what you have, you want to say this guy is the same as that one, which is your y plus 1 should be the same as minus 1, which means your y is equal to minus 2, because you're going to transpose this to that side. So your x and y values are minus 2 and minus 2. Those are the x and y values. I hope they can also be seen. I'm doing these videos at night, so sorry. Hopefully I did question 1 very well and you'll be happy with it. Thank you for watching.